A great man remembered in fitting tribute. Tackling adolescent pregnancy, and Minister Nita Headley supports Top Cape High School. This is Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Samantha Allen. Jamaica's love and appreciation of late freedom fighter Nelson Mandela compelled Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller to travel to South Africa Tuesday to attend a memorial service in Mandela's honor. Locally, the week of mourning continued Thursday with a memorial service organized by the Jamaican government and the South African High Commission. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips represented Mrs. Simpson Miller, reading the first lesson at the Thanksgiving service. On Friday, a joint sitting of the Houses of Parliament was convened to honor Mandela. The Prime Minister and her Minister of Information were among those paying tribute.
Nelson Mandela was the embodiment of the better angels of our nature. Optimistic, hopeful, trusting, resilient, compassionate, forgiving, loving, and accepting of all. He faced adversity and setbacks with a stoic composure. It was his openness to others, that humility, which made him such a great soul.
Those of us who are inspired by Mandela's remarkable contribution to human progress cannot allow his dreams to die. His dreams did not end with his ascendancy to the presidency. It has not and cannot end with his passing. Nelson Mandela wanted a world in which we have conquered evils such as racism and sexism, eradicated social inequalities, educated all the masses, where healthcare is accessible to all and human rights are guaranteed. The most enduring memorial to Madiba is to do our part right here in Jamaica to achieve his ideals.
And Jamaica's remembrance of the late iconic figure concluded Saturday with a tribute concert held at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center. Nelson Mandela passed away on December 5 at age 95. In the government's ongoing work to end adolescent pregnancy, Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner attended a high-level meeting in Trinidad and Tobago last Monday. The one-day meeting was funded by the United Nations Population Fund and CARICOM. It explored opportunities and challenges in addressing adolescent pregnancy in the Caribbean. Minister Faulkner chaired a session of the meeting which examined a multi-sectoral approach to the issue. On her assignment in Trinidad and Tobago, the minister was accompanied by Dr. Zoe Simpson of the Women's Center of Jamaica Foundation. And Minister with responsibility for sport, Natalie Nita Headley, endorsed the official opening of Arden High School Sports Day Thursday. Mrs. Nita Headley reminded the students about the importance of sport in the holistic development of all Jamaicans.
Sports is a unifying force. It brings all of us together. It allows us to share. It allows for camaraderie. It builds our bodies. Ladies, it makes us look better. The fitter you are, the better you look. Gentlemen, you have muscles. You need to get them. So physical activity is extremely important.
The minister also used the occasion to commend the school for topping the Caribbean in the recent sitting of the Cape exams. And that's it for this week's edition of Jamaica House Weekly. Join us next week for the latest coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.